Hi Bloomers, welcome to Vocabloom. In today's grammar guide, we'll learn how to ask yes or no questions in the present tense, using do and does. These little words help us talk about actions like eat, play, work, and more. A do-does question asks, if someone does something, you don't need a long answer. Just yes or no. For example, do you play soccer? Yes, I do. Does she work here? No, she doesn't. Use do with I, you, we, and they. Use does with he, she, and it. To ask a question, we start with do or does, then the subject, then the base verb. Statement: you like pizza. Question: do you like pizza? Statement: she eats cake. Question: does she eat cake? Statement: they study English. Question: do they study English? Common mistake: does she eats? Fix: does she eat? Use do for I, you, we, and they. Use does for he, she, and it. Use base verb. Don't add s after does. Flip sentence order when making a question. Let's practice together. Repeat each question after me. Statement: they go to school. Question: do they go to school? Statement: he plays football. Question: does he play football? Statement: I eat lunch. Question: do I eat lunch? Awesome work today, Bloomers. Now you can ask questions like, do you like chocolate? Or does she live with her family? Try writing 3 questions in the comments. And be sure to subscribe at Vocabloom Hub for weekly grammar drops and let your learning bloom. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And join us for more videos.